Hello, my name is Rebecca Lustig, and I will be your instructor for Environmental and Occupational Health EOH 554 for students in the Masters of Public Health program. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of the class, how it's structured, and how I like to present the information and discuss the content. And I will also tell you about the coursework and assignments and what I expect from you in this class. But first, a little bit about me. I am a Cal State University Northridge alumni. I obtained my bachelor's degree in EOH from CSUN in 2007 and my master's degree in EOH in 2011. I'm a registered environmental health specialist. I have a HSCI certification, which is for hazardous waste operations and emergency response, and am a certified water distribution operator. I worked for the Ventura County Environmental Health Division from 2007 to 2022, where I gained experience in food safety, public pool inspections, housing inspections, hazardous materials and waste management, land use, small water systems, solid waste management, liquid waste management, and ocean water sampling. I am currently the Environmental Health and Safety Supervisor and Safety Officer for Santa Clarita Valley Water Agency. So now about the class. This EOH class is designed to highlight the ways environmental and occupational health and safety intersect with the public health profession and public health professionals. Each week, we will review a particular environmental topic: air pollution, water resources, waste management, disaster response, occupational safety, etc. And then we will pause during the lecture to discuss things about the topic and what you see as your role as a public health professional in addressing the issues that we've presented. The topics we will review are, in general, some background information, history of environmental or occupational issues, maybe some events of which you're already familiar, maybe you've worked in the field, and we're going to discuss some local and global concerns related to each topic. We're going to talk about policy and programs, past, present, and future related to these issues, as well as past and present environmental racism issues and environmental justice programs and initiatives that are currently being developed or in practice to address these disparities. I want to emphasize that I want to hear from you during class. Based on your diverse personal, professional knowledge, skills, and experiences, how can we as a community of environmental health and public health professionals work on these issues, these long-term systemic issues, as well as new and emerging ones? We will have weekly assignments in the class that are weekly topic related. So either videos, articles, perhaps some public information sites for you to review, and then write up a discussion. And we will also have separate discussion forums on the weekly topics. This is where you will demonstrate your critical analysis skills, but I also want you to speak your mind on the topics and provide your invaluable and unique personal insights. One thing that I want to emphasize is the weekly topics, the lecture review and discussions, again, are very much a general overview of a particular field. Environmental health professionals in each of these fields will spend their entire careers, 20, 30 years, learning and researching the details in these areas. We obviously can't cover everything, and that's okay. The purpose is to introduce these topics and to talk about what it means to us as environmental health professionals working with public health professionals, such as yourself, and the communities that we aim to serve. And hopefully to introduce you to some resources and some ideas that you can use now or in the future as a practicing public health professional. We also have a final project in this class. It is a research project on an environmental topic of your choosing, be approved by me, but this project can cover any environmental issue. It can be a general overview of an environmental topic. It could be a particular environmental incident or event or disaster. It could be an environmental policy or program, or perhaps environmental concerns in a particular area or region that's disproportionately affected by environmental issues. I'm very excited to participate in this journey of yours towards obtaining your master's degree in public health, and I hope that you enjoy the class.